Welcome to the 81st episode of Kanga Crypto News, your weekly briefing for crisp, dependable updates from the crypto world. I'm Kuba, here to bring you the latest developments and the stories that matter the most. Before we start, a quick note. Everything you hear on Kanga Crypto News is researched and prepared by expert Kanga analysts using reliable sources only. But this is not an investment advice. We release new episodes every Friday. To stay on top of the most important moves in crypto, subscribe to the channel and tap the notification bell so you never miss an important update. And now, let's get into it. So let's start things off with Saylor because he never skips a day. Strategy Incorporated just bought another 400 BTC for roughly $45 million. So its total 2025 now sits at 641,000 BTC or $47.5 billion. The firm funds these buys with a carousel of 12% yield preferred stocks branded Strike, Strive, and Stride. Master shares are down 32% in 6 months, but Saylor's doubling down, calling Bitcoin Orange November. Now over to BitMine Technologies, where Tom Lee keeps staking Ethereum like it's a religion. His firm bought 7,660 Ethereum from Galaxy Digital OTC at $3,800 each. BitMine now owns 2.8% of all Ethereum, a $12 billion stash, and aims for 5% of total supply. Traders on prediction markets aren't convinced. Odds of Ethereum hitting 5K this year slipped to 31%. Still, Lee's weekly $200 million plus buys make whales look like minnows. The SEC, slowed by a government shutdown, may grant automatic approvals to filings from Grayscale, Bitwise, and Canary Capital. Ripple's old lawsuit is gone, dismissed under crypto-friendly SEC Chair Paul Odkins. XRP peaked at $2.54 before easing to $2.42. Simultaneously, large market entities were observed increasing their positions. An ETF greenlight would make XRP the first regulated non-BTC Ethereum crypto ETF in the US, a symbolic shift from hostility to acceptance. Meanwhile, Strive Incorporated plans to sell 12% yield perpetual preferred shares to raise funds for more Bitcoin buys. The Dallas firm already holds 6,000 BTC, recently merged with Semler Scientific, and now controls 11,000 Bitcoins combined. Its stock tanked 52% to $1.25, but management says it's replacing debt with equity. Yield for investors, Bitcoin for the books. Saylor and Kiyosaki are preaching the same gospel. BTC to 150 or 200K by 2025. Bitcoin sitting near 105K after peaking above 126K in October. Both called the dip mid-cycle turbulence. Saylor and Kiyosaki maintain their bullish forecasts for Bitcoin, expecting continued growth. Kiyosaki, known for his long-term perspective, encourages his followers to focus on the potential for growth rather than short-term volatility. Over in Muskland, XChat is the new frontier. Musk told Joe Rogan the upcoming encrypted messenger will use a Bitcoin-style peer-to-peer encryption system built in Rust with no ads, no metadata, no tracking, and even vanishing messages. Experts are skeptical. Cryptographers call the Bitcoin encryption pitching marketing fluff, but Musk insists XChat will be the least insecure app on Earth. Launch expected within months. At Coinbase, CEO Brian Armstrong revealed they added over 2,700 BTC last quarter, bringing the total stash to over 14.5 thousand BTC. Revenue hit $1.9 billion, profit jumped fivefold to $432 million, and its base network keeps gaining traction. With 80% of trading volume institutional, Coinbase is morphing into the Wall Street gateway for crypto. Meanwhile, Ripple just turned philanthropy into fintech. Its partners, World Central Kitchen, Water.org, Give Directly, and Mercy Corps, are now using Ripple payments and its stablecoin RLUSD to move aid money globally in seconds. Pilots in Kenya, Brazil, and Mexico are testing stablecoin issuance and cash transfers, showing crypto's humanitarian potential. RLUSD already passed $900 million market cap less than a year after launch. Elsewhere, Uphold relaunched its XRP Rewards debit card in the US, offering up to 10% cashbacks in XRP when users deposit paychecks or spend crypto. Borrowing against BTC, Ethereum, or USDC is also live, liquidity without liquidation. The card debuted at XRP Las Vegas, signaling Uphold's deep commitment to the XRP community. And finally, Mastercard wants to buy Zerohash, a crypto infrastructure firm, for $1.5 to $2 billion. Zerohash builds stablecoin and tokenization systems for clients like Morgan Stanley, E-Trade, and Walmart's OnePay. The deal, still unsigned, would rival Stripe's $1.1 billion bridge buy and push Mastercard deeper into the stablecoin infrastructure race alongside Coinbase and Robinhood. Overall, corporates kept stacking Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP edged toward ETF reality, Ripple's stablecoin found real-world use, and TradFi giants like Mastercard are muscling into the rails. Short-term market mood, sideways. Long-term, the pipes keep getting built and the money keeps flowing in orange, silver, and Ripple blue. That's all for today's Kanga Crypto News. If you enjoyed the episode, please like, share, and subscribe to stay current with the latest news. As always, stay informed and stay ahead in the blockchain world. See you next time.
We are Kanga, beyond crypto.